All right, let's talk about building your brand online and why it's the single best investment you can make in your business. I'm not talking about logos or fancy color palettes. I mean, the story you tell every time someone finds you on the internet. Here's the deal. People don't buy products, they buy stories, they buy trust. When you're clear about your mission and your message, people remember you. And even better, they come back for more. Imagine you're scrolling online. What makes you stop? It's not just the product, it's the personality behind it, the vibe, the promise. So, how do you actually build your brand? Start with your why. Why do you do what you do? Put that front and center. Next, show up consistently, whether it's Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube. Pick your platforms and be present. Share your wins, your struggles, your lessons. Let people in, and don't be afraid to be yourself. Authenticity beats perfection every single time. When you share real stories, people relate to you. That's what turns casual visitors into loyal fans and loyal fans into customers. Remember, branding isn't about being everywhere. It's about being unforgettable where it matters most. So, take a moment today, look at your online presence. What story are you telling? Is it the one you want people to remember? Start simple, start small, but start today. Your brand is your business's heartbeat online. Make it count. Thanks for sticking with me. Now go out there and unlock your brand's true potential.